I'm in here, about to go to VidCon with him. He's coming. Golly, packed a lot. He's coming. Look who's back. So, what are we doing? We're going to VidCon? Kind of. Like, I'm going to VidCon. But I will be in case when we go there. We're making shirts for our favorite YouTubers. Yeah.
Time out real quick. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Drop a comment below and let us know.
So, we're making t-shirts. Do you know what we need to do? No. Dude, I invited you over here because I thought you knew what to do. Just kidding. That's how we had the internet. So we were able to look everything up on the internet and figure out how to do it. And it's pretty simple. So you basically take a stencil, lay it down on your t-shirt, and then smear ink over the stencil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take your picture that you just drew right here, and then take a picture of it, put it in the computer, and then turn it into an electronic version, print it on the printer. You take your screen, and you cover your screen in this material called photo emulsion. Photo emulsion turns really hard whenever you put light on it, and so we have it in a dark closet. And we're going to pull it out of the closet, tape this down on it, and then put that little cage light on top of it, shine light on it, we'll let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then voila, now we have your design on the t-shirt.
1 hour later.
So I'm going to lift this up. It's going to start running wild, and we're going to have to grab it real quick, okay? One, are you ready? You're going to have to grab it. One. Wait, I got to grab it out? Like really quick. You do that. Okay, well then you lift it up. Ready? No. Not just yet. I got to make sure it's... Okay. Right now? 1, 2, wait! Okay, there's not really anything under there. Oh. Lift it up. And you can see that there's like that. Now we gotta kind of work quick. So we gotta take this off. Then we gotta take this off. Is this a new shirt? This is a shirt, yeah. RumbleLab. And then we'll wash it off.
And this part's super cool because basically anywhere the light was blocked, the photo emulsion can wash away and the stencil will be left behind.
So we'll place this right here, and then put the fan on it so that it dries out. A little dab on this guy. Okay, ready? Go. Now we can pick this up. Please, oh no. I think it worked. Yeah. Sweet. Okay, now we got a new shirt. Okay. Yeah, bro. Okay. Don't grow up, it's a trap. It's killer. I know how to do this. Don't grow up, it's a trap. Let's go. Ready? We didn't even say what we're doing. So we're gonna have a competition to see who can blow these gloves up the fastest. Oh, I already won. I'm blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. No, I'm laughing. Well, not one, dude. No, I won fair and square. I won. You want double or nothing? Double or nothing, yeah. Right. Ew, this one's slobbery. You can't hit the other person's balloon. Alright, deal? No hitting my balloon, okay? Alright, Loudon, tell them what we're doing.
Not gonna be able to hear for a week.
Alright, bro, you ready for me to take the shirt to VidCon? Boom. Okay, I'm going. Set.
So we're trying to get to VidCon, but the power said no. And now there's lightning everywhere. Security won't come up.
As it says, 0% chance of rain.
0% chance of rain. Don't worry, Loudon. We're gonna get the shirts to him.
The next morning.
So day 2, we're still trying to get to Anaheim, but I think we're finally gonna make it. We'll see. We're at Dallas now, and I think the t-shirts are gonna make it too. I think I finally found one.
So while this video is a little bit different, we hope you still enjoyed it and learned something too. We really want you to feel comfortable taking an idea that you have and tackling it all on your own, whether you know how to do it or not. And since we have all the stuff to make these t-shirts, we'll be making more, so drop a comment below of what YouTuber you'd like to see us make a t-shirt for, and we'll send you one if we choose your idea. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Go make something.
Okay, lead us. Okay, we're going up. You scared? Yeah. Should be. Why? Because there are rats up there. Wait, what? Where are you? It's the attic, man. The rats where they live. No! What's going up there? What, you scared? I want to see some rats.